guys, I'm Abigail from Zappos.com and I'm here to show off the Outback Flap Messenger from Guess. This messenger bag is going to be your new favorite companion. It's crafted with a cotton blend exterior and it features the Guess logo printed throughout the front. It's available in a couple different colorways to choose from, and it features a pocket that has a magnetic closure where you can store all of those items you want quick access to. It features a detachable and adjustable crossbody strap, and then you open up these snap closures to two pockets that are secured with a hook and loop closure for extra storage. Open up to the main compartment, it's lined inside, and then up front are 4 slip pockets. 2 are perfect size for your pens and pencils, and then there's a padded back area which is perfect for your laptop. It can carry up to 12 inches of a device, and it stands up all on its own. Don't miss out on this great bag, it's from Guess.